एक बार फतेह बुलाएं सबको।
Well, absolutely. I'm afraid that I have not heard your question, but whatever I could make of it, I'm standing here at the Raisina Road at the headquarters of the NSUI, and as you can see behind me, these are the NSUI workers who are all set to take out a protest march from the NSUI office to the Parliament House. And as we speak, the NSUI leaders are speaking here, but before them, senior leaders like Ahmed Patel, Anand Sharma and Randeep Surjewala, and in fact PC Chako, all of them came and addressed the crowd here. But one thing that was pretty common and pretty clear was that they will be opposing demonetization, not the decision part of it, but the implementation. They said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's decision of sudden implementation of demonetization has caused a huge problem for the people. And as a result, today the NSUI workers are taking out a protest march and they will be doing a gherav of the parliament. But as we are given to believe, since the huge security police presence is here, they would not be allowed to cross the Raisina Road because the parliament is also in function. And today it is the day of protest in national capital. Also the Aam Aadmi Party is protesting, the NSUI is protesting, the Delhi Congress is protesting, and also there is a protest going inside the parliament as well. So as the protests are going on in capital, the government has come out, and today Home Minister Rajnath Singh has in fact informed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is willing now to take part in the discussion. When I put this question to Anand Sharma and senior leaders of Congress, they said that PM was not doing any favor by coming and by agreeing to come in the debate, and this is exactly what the opposition had been asking for ever since the parliament started.
It doesn't seem clear what the opposition parties really want, Prashant. The question is, first they demanded the Prime Minister's presence. Now that the Prime Minister has agreed to be present, they say it's not a favor that the Prime Minister is doing. Just what is the demand of the opposition? That's the big question. Let's go across to Shireen, who joins me from Central Park in Connaught Place. In fact, Shireen, the Aam Aadmi Party took to protest in that area. We understand not too much of resonance of that particular protest. What are you seeing on the ground, Shireen, as far as the Central Park in Rajiv Chowk is concerned?
Well, clearly the opposition is divided over the Akrosh Divas because the Aam Aadmi Party in particular called their Akrosh Divas as Jan Samvad, and we witnessed that it was mostly the volunteers who had gathered at the Central Park. There were not much of the crowd to witness here in the Central Park. Also, it's the Aam Aadmi Party who is in tune with the TMC, and they have demanded clearly that they want a rollback of demonetization. Now, other than if you compare it, the other opposition parties, their demand is different, but Aam Aadmi Party had made it clear that they want the demonetization to be rolled back. They want the Prime Minister to give an explanation and take back the demonetization, and they kept on repeating the same thing today. But the crowd was less. We didn't see much of the people coming here, and it was most of a public dialogue between the Aam Aadmi Party leaders and the public who had gathered here. They launched some 2 songs over here against demonetization. So clearly a photo op where they inaugurated their social media campaign. So clearly it was not that impactful. If we look at overlook the whole thing, it was not really impactful. It was more of like a photo op that we witnessed in Central Park today.